As you could probably see from that intro, we got the trim pieces painted and installed. When that hot glue dries, it should be solid as a rock, and I can go back and trim any of the stuff that's squished out after it gets super hard. It'll come right off. So I'm glad that's done. I still have to figure out something for the bow area. I don't know if I want to just do black carpet or if I should do the C deck. Problem with doing the C deck is I don't think I have enough to finish it, but I do have enough black carpet. So I may just lay a piece in there and see if I think it looks good. And then this thing inside will pretty much be done. Because today I think I'm gonna put the rest of it back together. Here's a question for you guys. Don't be shy, you can comment. I've got 2 of these cup holders left over, and they're the deeper ones. If you remember in one of my past videos, I put an oversized cup holder in the shelf, if you will, of the gunnel. I ordered 4 of these, and these are too deep to go right there. So I ordered a couple shallower ones for up there, and I have these left. Now, up in the bow area, originally, there wasn't any cup holders. My question to you guys is, do you think I should cut these in either here in the fiberglass or in this upholstery, just so there's 2 cup holders up in the bow? So leave your opinion in the comments. Upholstery or fiberglass? Well, ain't that about a bitch? I got a leaky roof. It started to rain here and right when I was going to put the seats in, and now I have to set up a bucket with a drain tube, and I'll just drain the water into the bilge if we get that much rain. So that puts a damper on upholstery, but I did manage to get the fuel filler line and vent line back in, the swim ladders back on. I did do this top seat, vacuumed everything out, put the 2 last speakers in. Yeah, so I was just going to finish up, but now I can't. So that is going to do it for this video, and I will see you guys next weekend, but a different type of video, so tune in for that. We're going to Griswold a big old passenger van down to Oregon. It'll be fun. You can check out our antics if you wish. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, get down there and click subscribe. Leave me a comment. Remember the question I asked about the cup holders, fiberglass or upholstery. You guys get to vote. So until next time, guys, peace, and I'm out.